Dog clutch. A dog clutch is a type of mechanical coupling that transmits torque by the interlocking of protrusions, dogs, on one rotating part with recesses, or slots, on another, rather than by friction. It's a positive engagement mechanism where two shafts are locked together, preventing slippage when engaged. Dog clutches are commonly used in applications requiring high-speed, frequent gear changes, such as motorcycle transmissions and some industrial machinery. Mechanism. A dog clutch consists of two parts, a ring or hub with slots or recesses, and a shaft with protruding dogs. When the dogs are engaged into the recesses, the two parts rotate together as a single unit. Engagement. Disengagement. Engagement is achieved by moving one part, usually the hub with the dogs, axially to align and mesh with the other part, the ring with recesses. Disengagement is the reverse process, where the dogs are withdrawn from the recesses. Advantages. No slippage once engaged. There's no slippage between the connected shafts, resulting in efficient power transfer. High torque capacity. Dog clutches can transmit high torque due to the positive engagement. Simplicity and cost. They are generally simpler in design and can be more cost-effective than friction clutches for certain applications.